Hey guys, welcome to Barbecue Jams. We've got a great show for you tonight. So tonight we've got Ryan Turk on guitar. We have Mike Martin, aka Studio Mike, on guitar, and we also have Jude Kahle on bass, and myself, Wil Blumberg, on drums. So we're cooking up some barbecue shrimp. It's gonna be killer. I've got a compound butter. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna put it on a roll. Come on, let's get involved. It's summertime, everybody. Let's get involved with some barbecue shrimp and a compound butter. It's gonna be killer, and we're gonna be cooking them up and putting them on a roll. So we're gonna be doing some shrimp rolls. They're gonna be awesome. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna be using some butter, some olive oil, lemon, garlic, parsley, thyme, basil, some paprika, some, what is this again, Jeff?
Tarragon.
Tarragon, yes, we gotta have tarragon. Also some salt and pepper. And anyway, yeah, we're gonna mix all that up. We're gonna be popping them on some beautiful tiger shrimp that we have here. Put them on the, we're gonna pop them on the Weber grill, cook them all up. We'll bring them over here, chop them up, put them on some rolls. It's gonna be killer. So here we go. Let's get involved, people. So I've got some fresh herbs here that I'm using that I've got over at my house, and if you got some like leftover dill, or if you got some other kind of herbs that you have laying around, there's no right or wrong way of putting this together. Just use what you have to make your own compound butter. It's real simple, and you know, just make it your own. So anyway, here we go. All right, let's kick this thing off with 1 stick of softened butter.
Everything softens when it's 100 degrees outside.
Yes, it does. Thank you very much. Okay, let's get some parsley in here. We're gonna finely chop this up. I'm gonna use a little bit of thyme here. Nothing too crazy, just a little bit. Woo, God, it smells so good. Gonna throw in a little bit of basil here. I love basil. It just goes well with so many things. God, I love that smell. All right, so let's crush up some garlic here, get this all ready to go. A little tarragon. That's good. Gonna throw in our fresh herbs. Actually, we're gonna start off with a little bit of the zest of a lemon. And a little bit of squeeze. A little squeeze of lemon in here. All right. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of salt and pepper. And a little splash of paprika. A little splash. And let's give this a mix. We're gonna throw some olive oil in there too. All right, let's go in with a little bit of olive oil. All right, here we go. We're gonna throw on some shrimp over here. We're gonna put some compound butter on them. We're gonna let them hang out. We're gonna put some skewers through them and then stick them on the Weber grill. So here we go. Yeah. Oh wow, there's some monsters. Monsters. These are some colossal shrimp here I've got. There's some like tiger shrimp. These babies are gonna be amazing. Christiane's like, I better get one of those shrimp.
I bet she
All right,
will.
I'll hook you up. I'll hook you up. Don't worry. Gotta keep mama happy, right? All right, just butter them up. Let them hang out for a minute, and we're gonna be popping them on the grill. All right, I'm gonna pop these in the fridge for about 45 minutes, and we'll be right back. Hope you guys are checking out these jams. They're a lot of fun, guys. Pop some shrimp on the barbie, people. Actually, let's see. All we have to do 2 at a time. There we go. Probably gonna need about a minute or so on each side. So here we go. Round 2. Oh no, oh no. Give it to me, give it to me.
We'll fast forward through that part.
There we go. Yeah, baby. Woo! All right, let's flip them, baby. Let's flip them.
That was perfect.
Oh, look at the color on these guys. Oh.
That one's trying to escape.
Oh. Getting away from me, baby. Got him with some more of that compound butter. Come on. All right, guys, we have pulled them off the grill. We're gonna pull the skewers out. We're gonna chop them up. We're gonna put them on some rolls. And we're gonna tear them up. So here we go. Putting some butter on these buns, people. Gotta butter them up before you pop them on the grill. Yeah. guys want to come over and grab a roll? Mikey, come on. Yeah. We got Mikey over here. Woo! Hanging out. Ready for a shrimp roll? Here, I'm going to hook you up with one really good. Bam, grab one. Just grab and go, dude.
Grab and go.
Grab and go. Just make sure you don't lose any of those little suckers on the way. James Soldier, you want one of these? Okay. Yeah. Come on. All right.
They're watching you make these.
I know. Just grab one and go. And then we're all going to try it out. Yeah. Yeah. Just don't drop it, okay?
Wonderful. I can look at it.
I know, it's wonderful.
Go ahead, Ryan.
All right, come on, Ryan.
Grab and go, Ryan.
Grab and go, baby.
Thank you. This was amazing.
Yep, oh, grab that piece. Yep, don't forget it. Come on, Mike. Our studio Mike in the house tonight. Yeah. All right, Jude. Come on in, buddy. Yeah, just grab one and go.
Alright, grab and go.
Grab and go. Go in with you guys. Jeff, unfortunately, you got to hang out for a second or wait.
Good.
All right, cool. I'm gonna get some of this butter from the board. But I'm gonna leave you the bigger one, so it's all good. All right, everybody ready to go in? It looks like Ryan Turk's already going in.
Oh, wait, they're already doing it.
Oh God, yeah, man, cheers.
Oh my God, it's amazing.
Oh God, guys, there you go.
What did you tell everybody? Don't drop it, right?
Barbecue jam. Barbecue jam. So good. Oh, baby. Will. This is it. Oh my God. Oh yeah.
Shrimp roll, barbecue shrimp roll, people. Good flow. Oh man, this is dynamite. Bun, the bun is key, guys. The bun is so key. A little nice and toasty on the outside, nice and soft on the inside. That compound butter really sets off the shrimp very well. Man, give it a shot, guys.
Mikey's already gone.
It's incredible.
How about you over there, James? Very interesting.
Very interesting.
Very good.
All right, guys. Go check out these rolls. They're awesome. Hope you guys are enjoying these jams. We're having a great time over here. We're going to see you guys back here in just a minute. Alright guys, we had a great episode tonight. Everything went, amazing. The shrimp was on point, on the roll, just killed it. Our jams, guys, thank y'all so much for being here and hanging out. You guys are amazing. Come on, man. Let me come around real quick. Let me come around. I gotta hook up Jude with a t-shirt too.
Jude.
Hey, check it out. We gotta hook up Jude with a t-shirt.
Yeah, Jude.
And thank you, Derek Enter, by the way, from the merch company. You have been barbecue jammed.
I'd like to say thank you on behalf of myself and the group, and I hope we pass the audition.
All right, well, we're going to find out. Well, the audience will let us know. But, guys, thank you so much for joining us. And as always, like and subscribe. We're going to catch you guys next time. Peace. Barbecue Jam. Barbecue Jam.